What you're looking at here is a Trac TRL 1440 Prototrac LX2 control lathe. This lathe is, well, it's been used, but the ways are in excellent condition, as you can see. Not a lot of wear on them. We fired it up. It runs good. The control goes back and forth. As you can see, and move it back and forth here. And also have has the hardened bed ways. It's in good shape. Yes, it could need it needs another good scrubbing, but other than that, good little lathe for somebody. If you're looking to break into CNC machining, or if you're just doing a few parts at a time, this is a great little lathe. We have a lot of people that want to buy these from us, so we thank you for your business and have a very blessed day.